Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem, amma ba'd. Okay, so this is our new lesson, but it is very much similar to the vertical zabar, vertical zir and reversed pesh. Okay. So what is this? In this lesson, you can see that letters having long vowel sound. So the vertical zabar, vertical zir and reversed pesh were the long vowel sound. So these are also, which we are going to learn now, these are also the long vowel sounds, okay, but these are called the letters of maddah, okay, these are called the letters of maddah. Now you have to understand what maddah means. So maddah in Arabic, it means to elongate, okay, it means to elongate. We have to pull the letter, like we did in the vertical zabar, vertical zir and reversed pesh. We pulled the letters, we elongated the letters. We did not read them quickly. Okay, similarly, we have to read these letters also with a little bit of elongation. So see the first rule, if zabar comes before a quiescent alif, leave that quiescent, that is a mistake, okay. If zabar comes before a alif, it is called alif maddah. Understand what is it saying. See the first word, it is ba, then you have the alif joined with the ba, and then you have the zabar over the ba. So when you say ba zabar, it is ba, that is a haraka, that should be read quickly. But when you join alif with the ba, so it becomes the long vowel. Now you will not say ba, you have to say ba, okay. So how do you read it? First you have to read the letter ba, then you have to join the alif with it, ba, alif, then the zabar, okay. Ba, alif, zabar, ba. Then see the next one. Next one is, it is not only ba, pesh, bu. You cannot say ba, pesh, bu, because you can see that after ba there is a letter waw which has a quiescent jazm sign over it. And the jazm letter, the quiescent letter is always dependent on its predecessor. So you have to join the waw also with the ba. So how will you join it? Ba, wow, pesh, boo. You have to drag a little. Okay. Then similarly, come to the third one, that is ba, ya, zir, bi. Okay. So these are the three letters of maddah. What are the three letters of maddah? It is alif maddah, waw maddah and ya maddah. Okay. Alif with a zabar before it, waw with a pesh before it, and ya with a zir before it. So these are the three letters of maddah. See the first, second and third point says the same. See the third point, if zir comes before a quiescent ya, it is called ya maddah. See the second point, if pesh comes before a quiescent waw, it is called waw maddah. And what does maddah mean? Maddah means to drag. Okay. So there are three letters of maddah. I am repeating again. Three letters of maddah. Alif with a zabar before it. Waw with the pesh before it. And ya with the zir before it. Okay. Okay. So now let's continue. See the first line again. Ba, alif, zabar, ba. Ba, waw, pesh, bu. Ba, ya, zir, bi. Ta, alif, zabar, ta. Ta, waw, pesh, tu. Ta, ya, zir, ti. Sa, alif, zabar, sa. Sa, waw, pesh, su. Sa, ya, zir, si. Jim, alif, zabar, ja. Jim, waw, pesh, ju. Jim, ya, zir, ji. Ha, alif, zabar, ha. Ha, waw, pesh, hu. Ha, ya, zir, hi. Kha, alif, zabar, kha. See, kha is a heavy letter. So with the alif also it should sound heavy, okay? It is not kha. It should sound kha. Your lip should be round. Kha, alif, zabar, kha. Kha, waw, pesh, khu. Kha, ya, zir, khi. Dal, alif, zabar, da. Dal, waw, pesh, du. dal ya zir di, zal alif zabar za, zal waw pesh zu, zal ya zir zi, ra alif zabar ra, ra waw pesh ru, ra ya zir ri, za alif zabar za, za waw pesh zu, za ya zir zi, sin alif zabar sa, sin waw pesh su, sin ya zir si, shin alif zabar sha, shin waw pesh shu, shin ya zir shi. Now I'm reading without hijja, okay? So, su, si, do, du, di, po, tu, ti, zo, ru, ri, a, u, ri, wa, gu, ri, fa, fu, fi, qa, qu, qi, ka, ku, ki, la, lu, li, la, mu, mi, na, nu, ni, wa, wu, vi, ha, hu, hi, a, u, I, ya, you, ye. Okay, then let's move to the exercise. See, how do you do the hijja of this? Ta zabar ta. Then you can't say ayn zabar because there is a alif joined with the ayn. Okay, so ayn alif zabar a, ta a, mim to zir min, ta a min, ayn zabar a, zal alif zabar za, aza, ba to pesh bun, azabun, ayn zabar a, ta alif zabar ta, ata, hamzah to zabar an, ata'an. There is a symbol above the ta, so leave that. Inshallah, I will teach you that in the later lessons, okay? Ata'an, ghain pesh ghu, sa alif zabar sa, ghusa, hamzah to zabar an, ghusa'an, kitaban, kiraman, libasan, lisanan, ma'aban, mata'an, muta'in, ma'ashan, mafazan, mihadan, nabatan, wifaqan. As you can see that with the two zabar, okay, in the fourth line, with the two zabar, there is a alif written everywhere. But if you go back to the tanween lesson, I had told you there that with the two zabar, there is always a alif written, but that is not to be read. Okay, that is a silent letter. Suburan, rasulin. You cannot say rasulin. You have to drag the su because it has a waw maddah. Rasulin, shuhudun, qu'udun, wujuhun, athimin, alimin, basiran, khabiran, rahiqin, shahidun, azimin, qariban, karimin, majidun, muhitun, na'imin, yatiman, yasiran, ruwaidan. It is waw ya zabar way. So waw ya zabar way is not ya madda. What is a ya madda? A ya, if there is a zir before the ya, okay, quiescent ya with a zir before it, that is a ya madda. Here it is not a ya madda, okay? So you don't have to drag the y, no. You have to read it quickly. Ruwaidan. Understood? Ruwaidan, Quraishin, Aishatin. See, this is a ya madda. Why? Because there is a zir before the quiescent ya. Ishatin. So drag the E, then shatin. Ishatin. Al-maw'udatu. Al-maw'udatu. Okay. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.